Hello, I am launching my first video of the painting process. Today I want to draw a tiger cub with oil paints. I want to say that in a drawing I like how I can play with the combination of colors. By the way, I'm writing today on primed cardboard using the rule of thirds. Using this rule, you can easily and quickly outline the proportions so that the picture looks harmonious. I use counting green and red-orange colors. You know that complementary colors are the most harmonious. I think that for this video, the time for talking can be completed, but you can enjoy the process of drawing to the music. Enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.